Okay, so hi dear Cancer, very very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a journal of reading for all the Cancer, Sun, Moon, Venus rising from 17 till the 23rd of November. Roles can be reversed also, and okay, if this is not resonating, this is not your story. Fine. So if you want to be a reader like me, you can purchase my courses. Links are given below in the description box for tarot reading course, self love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass. And for personal reading and healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. So let's start. The overall energy or the mutual energy of the connection right now, Cancer. Let's see what we have. So we have Nine of Cups, King of Cups, Justice. Bottom of the deck is Queen of Cups. Oh my God, Cancer. This is a beautiful romantic love story unfolding kind of a thing happening here. So both of you are feeling at the top of world because there's a lot of love in the situation. There's balance. There's justice. For some of you, one of you got divorced or separated for someone else to be with you, or the vice versa. But there's a sense of wish fulfillment. There is a sense of happiness. There's a sense of let's grow old together. There's a sense of balance and justice. I think I cannot explain it in a more beautiful way than this. So this is like one of those wish fulfilled kind of a deal, and lot of love kind of a deal, mature, beautiful, sensitive, grounded kind of a love. One of you is kind of a very expressive kind of a person, but they are not going to express a lot when it comes to their feelings. And one of you is like going to show the love in their actions instead of expressing it too much. So King of Cups and Queen of Cups both are, bottom of the deck is the Queen of Cups, by the way. Both are emotionally very very invested, emotionally very like a okay, match made in heaven kind of a deal. This is so fucking beautiful. I don't want to ruin it by a reading. Just can we just skip the reading part and be here only? There's mutual love, there is mutual attraction, there's mutual feelings, and there's a sense of feeling very very happy about it from both the sides. Both of you are taking it as something that made you guys feel very lucky, that you guys are lucky in love because you found this person, they feel the same for you. And there's a sense of now this is what we call real love. Now this is justice from the universe's side. My goodness. Okay. The Queen of Cups represent, I'm not able to explain this. This is so beautiful. I'm not able to explain this anymore. I'm like, oh my god, just like stop it here only. Today, Taurus also got a very, very beautiful reading. So there is like love in the air kind of thing happening right now. Okay. So the mutual energy of this situation is a lot of love from both the sides, emotional, mature, grounded, maybe not expressed fully, but felt fully from both the sides, like on a deep, deep, deep level. Wow. And the lesson here is keep it fair. Hmm? Keep it fair, keep it balanced, keep it sorted. Got it. Okay, let's see the rest of the reading. I just want the rest of the reading also to be beautiful. Let's see what this person feels for you. What are their feelings for the situation between you and them, or for you? Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now, Cancer. Four of Swords. There's a sense of distance. There's a lot of love between you guys, but there's a sense of distance, or there's a sense of not expressing or not saying to the other person, what is wrong? I am so overwhelmed. I'm not able to see. I'm not able to do this reading today. I'm getting goosebumps actually, if you can see. Okay. Too fair to see the goosebumps. Right. Let's clarify the Four of Swords here as their feelings for you. We have the Ace of Cups, Magician in reverse, and the Queen of Swords. So this is someone who feels a lot of love for you, overwhelming emotions for you, but they feel like this situation is not going to go anywhere, not today, not tomorrow, not in the future. So they should keep the facade of I don't care. but they're in love with you, but they feel like they should be practical about it, they should be rational about it, and they should not allow their heart or their feelings to uh, be all over the place. Somebody is madly in love with you, but they feel like because this is not going to go anywhere, so what's the use of expressing, what's the use of saying? So they feel like keeping things practical and rational. This, I hate it. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Cancer? Two of Pentacles. So from your side, you are feeling confused and a little bit restless, or maybe you are having another person in your energy that you're dealing with along with this particular person. So there's a sense of confusion, on and off, in and out, and up in the air. You're feeling up in the air about the situation, up in the air. Let's clarify the Two of Pentacles. We have the King of Cups, the Justice, and the Eight of Swords. So you feel a lot of love for this situation too, but your emotions are not stable. So you feel like stabilizing your emotions, but your mind is coming in. Okay. Again and again, your mind is creating scenarios and stories, the negative ones about the situation. And that's why, even if your emotions are coming up, even if you feel a lot of love towards someone, you're like, aha, no, 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 don't go there. It's not good. It's not good. What's wrong with you? This is beautiful. Cancer, don't mess this up. I hate you. Okay. Let's see what this person wants from me. I don't hate you guys. I can't hate anybody. Love you. Okay? Love you. My half heart. Keep it with you. This is for women only. This is for kids only. This is not for pervert men. Stay out of my videos. Losers. Okay. Let's see what this person, I hate you, was for you guys. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? We have Three of Swords. Wow. They want to get over this pain. What is happening? They want to get over heartbreak or pain, something. They want to heal. Definitely, they want to heal a heartbreak or painful energy here. Maybe because they think this is not going to happen between you and them, and this is breaking their heart. So they are just trying to move on. I hate this. Let me clarify this Three of Swords here as their intentions. We have the Knight of Swords, the King of Wands, and the Hierophant. So they want to transmute their feelings of love for you into something spiritual, into something meaningful. They want to, just run away from their feelings. They just want to put as much energy, efforts and investment into themselves, like changing their life and understanding that there's a reason behind this pain, there's a reason behind this rejection. It's like a self rejection. I don't know you are rejecting somebody or not, but they're self rejecting themselves, and this is so fucking painful. But they're like, okay, there's some kind of spiritual reason behind this heartbreak and this pain, so I should focus on my spirituality. I should transmute this pain into something meaningful that's going to help me to grow as a soul, as a person in my life. So they want to run away totally in the opposite direction of their feelings, and they want to transmute this pain of theirs into something spiritual so that they can move forward, or they want to take help from a spiritual person or a healer or someone who can help them to get out of their self rejection. This is painful. I don't want to deal with this. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Cancer? There's so much love in the situation. What's wrong with you people? Let's see. Page of Wands. You want to keep things friendly, casual. You want to keep things going, but in a casual and friendly way. You don't want to make this situation heavy or burdensome or too difficult to deal with. Okay, let's clarify the Page of Wands here. We have the Page of Wands, Eight of Pentacles, the Sun card. Yeah, You want to keep things light-hearted, friendly. You want to put in the effort and energy in the situation, but because this makes you also happy, very very happy. So you want to keep things very light-hearted, casual, friendly, happy-go-lucky, so that you guys can enjoy each other's company, so that you guys can enjoy this bond, enjoy this friendship. But you're not ready to move beyond friendship level, at least for the time being, Cancer. And that might be breaking this person's heart, because they also know that you have feelings and you feel for them. You also know. But one of you might have expressed their feelings at some point of time and they got rejected or something. So that right now they feel like they should reject themselves and they should just move forward. And you are like, okay, let's keep things friendly and keep things going, and don't ruin it. You don't want to ruin this friendship or this bond or this connection because of the feelings. You're scared. You're scared and they know it. Okay. One of you might be having age difference or maturity difference, or at least one of you is a very spiritual person, an intuitive person, and they know stuff. Let's see what could be the possible outcome for you guys till the what we have 23rd of November, Cancer. Gosh. Seven of Swords. Something is going to be revealed. A truth is going to come out here. A truth is going to be revealed about something. Let's clarify the Seven of Swords here. We have King of Pentacles, the Devil, and the Ten of Swords. This is going to be end of some kind of toxicity and negativity in this situation. And someone is going to tell you something about a relationship, a commitment, or a marriage, or something that they're dealing with behind your back. And this is going to end, sorry, this is going to end some kind of toxicity or negativity. Okay, this is what it is. So one of you is still stuck with a past person, maybe a marriage, a commitment, a partnership. One of you are still struggling with that. That's why both of you are not able to come on the same page and keep things going, or keep things go to the next, or make things go to the next level or something, right? So one of you, whosoever is attached to another person, another energy here, is going to tell the other person here honestly about that, and that is going to change the direction of this whole dynamics for the rest of your lives. I don't know where it is going right now, but this is what I'm getting. That is going to help you guys to let go of the negativity, the toxicity, the unhealthy kind of energies that you guys are feeling in the situation. Because if there is so much love from both the sides, there needs to be a proper reason, a valid reason for things to not work out, for two people to not come together and work it out. So there is a reason here, right? One of you is having a secret regarding maybe a person, a marriage, a commitment, something that they're still dealing with, and or a breakup or separation that they are still dealing with, and they are still stuck there somehow. Although it ended or it's on the verge of ending, it's still there, and that is going to be revealed to you guys, and that is definitely going to change the whole situation in a very very drastic way. Okay, it's actually happening for your highest good, Cancer. Even if you are going to take it as a negative or bitter thing, it's actually universe protecting you from something that is very very emotionally enriching kind of experience, but something is not good there, at least for the time being. Let's see the guidance here, Cancer. Yeah. We have the Queen of Pentacles, Page of Cups, and the Hermit. Until unless your emotions are sorted, settled, grounded, don't operate on emotionally overwhelming or all over the place kind of energies, Cancer. Until unless you are mature enough, grounded enough, sorted enough to sort the situation out within yourself first and with the other person next. It's time. It's like very very recommended for you to just stabilize your own emotions, stabilize your own energies. And when you feel like you are stable enough, grounded enough, mature enough to talk about it, handle this situation like a mature adult, then move forward and do something about this situation. Right? Right. Okay, this is heavy to explain. So, yeah. So, until unless you're all over the place, emotions are not going to be stable, are not going to be sorted, and are not going to be internally stabilized, you will not be able to sort it out with yourself and with other person also. So it's, you have to stabilize your emotions first, then only you have to move forward according to what you are looking forward to have in this dynamics. God, kill me. Okay, let me answer one of your questions related to your love and relationship area. The same question repeated 3 times. Okay, and keep it short, simple, and precise as much as you can so that you can get a clear cut answer. And what else? I'm going to give you 10 seconds for the same, and your time starts now. Okay, let's see. Okay, so the answer to your question is reconsider. Yep, reconsider. Let me see from the guidebook what we have, what we have, what we have. Hmm. This card suggests that what you are hoping for or trying to achieve in the way that you are currently approaching it might not be the best outcome for you. Think again and consider a different approach or option. That's what I told you in the guidance. So the guidance and the answers that I give you are almost same for all the signs if you are going to check it out properly. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Cancer. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. And now I know the reason that why you guys are not able to come together. So I take my I hate you back, but not for the perverts, for those people who are actually suffering and going through this. Sorry. Okay, take care. Bye bye.